Welcome back to Gelato Sundae, where we look at smart contract automation with Gelato Network and the top ways it's being used by crypto projects this week. First up is Ruffle Inu. Their goal is to transform the GameFi industry with their decentralized and completely automated raffle protocol. You can buy, stake, and draw to win, so there's minimal effort to participate and win the jackpot. So far, 19 winners have won 7.25 ETH in prizes. They have a roadmap with more ways to win prizes in the future and some fun tokenomics, so it creates a snowball effect. So the lottery pot grows as volume increases, meaning they can hold bigger raffles, bringing more volume, etc. They've basically created a fully automated lottery on Ethereum using Gelato. You can see the tasks here that kick off a new lottery with a jackpot amount, and then importantly, make sure the winners get paid out. Pretty convenient how the whole thing can just run totally on its own. This one is very cool. So last week we talked about a hatch eggs task for claiming that was being automated on Gelato and how more users could easily start doing this. Well, already since last week's video, we've got a new user task doing exactly that. Maybe they were inspired by Gelato Sundae and I can claim credit with the video mentioned. This one is being done on solar farm finance that pays out a daily ROI, and again, they are using this for claimed eggs. Next up, we have Arbi's Finance, which is a yield farming DeFi protocol. They are all about the memes, and talking about this one is definitely going to make me want some curly fries from Arby's the restaurant. I haven't had those in a hot minute. But Arbi's the protocol is using Gelato for distributing rewards automatically. We can look in the contract here at send balances as rewards. And I think this is the first one we've looked at where they've written out that it's marked as only admin or automation and non-reentrant. A non-reentrant function is just a function that can't be interrupted after it's been called, and then recalled before the first call finishes, otherwise you're gonna have issues. Fun fact. So that makes sense. With an automated rewards payout, there's a loop through all the distributed tokens to add the rewards balance. Tangible is also using Gelato. They turn real-world assets into NFTs that can be redeemed for the physical product. They've got lots of wine, they've got watches, they've even got gold bars on there. There's a Tangible Discord community you can join, and they've got a token with a nearly $500 million market cap. So here's their Gelato task, and this is the address of their Tangible Token Oracle contract. In their documentation, they talk about how oracles were a big challenge that they had to solve for. They needed to be able to map an item back to its market price within the limitations of Polygon for a wide variety of different products. So they came up with a whole system of unique IDs and permission structure stuff that's taken care of in their ecosystem of smart contracts. Part of that solution is an instant liquidity mechanism. They wanted to be able to offer instant purchases of any user's assets, even though there may be situations where the user is just going to sell the TNFT immediately. So to make it super liquid, they're actually set up to buy back the user's TNFT at a designated markdown. And doing that relies on access to the TWAP oracle. By now, you probably remember TWAP, time-weighted average price, is a measure of a token's average price over a set time period. So this task takes an address for token A and token B. It's going to update the cumulative price once per epoch period. This way, it's keeping these buys as close to true market price as possible. Finally, we have an update task from Float Capital. They're offering an efficient way to gain exposure to long or short magic internet assets. They've actually just completed a $5 million seed round, and they've got a roadmap to become a DAO and offer more trading features. Their Gelato task does use a resolver to execute this update based on a market value threshold. This is their long-short contract on Polygon. Their protocol creates two types of tokens for each market. Long tokens benefit from asset price appreciation, short tokens benefit from the price going down. And Gelato helps them keep their system up to date with market data. And check it out, literally 1 cent per execution, which is great because these are going off pretty frequently. All right, that's it for Gelato Sundae this week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you back next Sunday.